We're here with the Division of Biology and Biomedical Sciences to teach and give the gift of SciComm to all the students and faculty. Let's go. Who's going to share? Fabulous! It is so easy when we give talks to have them replicate how we write academic papers. I did that to make you uncomfortable. Did you feel uncomfortable? Good, okay. Know that when you feel uncomfortable, that's your gut check, you're doing something right.
I built an interdisciplinary scientific immersion program for our new graduate students because a lot of really exciting science happens at the interface between disciplines.
Biggest changes, what did you notice? Short and sweet.
Science communication is a big responsibility that we have as scientists.
We don't realize that until we have to give a talk.
It's really important not only to do the work that we do, but also share our findings with other people and make sure that all the people in the public, on our teams, in the science community as a whole get to learn what we're doing and why it matters.
I invited Sara Serritella to come from University of Chicago because I saw her TEDx talk.
Oh, thank you. Back at ya.
That was exactly the type of energy that we needed, and somebody that could teach our students that wasn't a scientist themselves, that's only been trained in the same format for decades.
A lot of speakers in science tend to be very focused on the technical aspects. It's refreshing to have a speaker who
doesn't have a STEM PhD come and talk to us and can really clearly demonstrate why it matters and why it's important.
Thomas, your challenge in as many different variations as possible. Body language, gestures, whatever you want in your arsenal.
definitely not falling asleep in the room.
So use your non-verbal skills to your advantage.
And so the students got to see things put into practice and then practice it themselves.
So it was cool to see students becoming inspired and knowing how to bring their presentations to life.
Make us all not want to leave this room without holding that pen.
I really enjoyed the social media talk because it gave a lot of confidence to students who maybe are not as comfortable with posting on social media, and it's a very important skill.
Social media is something we can't really run away from. It's a big responsibility to take our science into that platform.
I saw them light up.
It was a lot that I didn't know I needed.
So that was really fantastic.
Something unexpected I learned was how quickly I could integrate a lot of the things that I'm learning into my own work and into my own skills.
And I saw how passionate they are.
I have a lot of new ideas.
I feel like I'm ready to incorporate it in my lab meetings, in my presentations. And
I think it's fantastic that here at WashU we have the opportunity to work on our science communication. This is something that in science we're all sort of expected to just pick up from modeling other people and seeing what others in our community do, but having some really important dedicated time this week to get to think critically about what we're doing and why it matters for our science communication, I think has been a really great use of my time as a busy grad student.
I think it's great that we have opportunities like this, and I really appreciate WashU for that.
This has really been a phenomenal week, and I'm so glad that all our students are getting to participate in it. Future students should definitely make time and come for next year to these workshops, because this is something that can have such a huge impact on your training and is really an important part of our job as developing scientists and science communicators. So I would definitely encourage people to attend.